Hi Waukegan, I'm Mitch Robertella, Manager of Communications, and this is 60 and 60 for the week of November 1st. We have a lot to get to today, so let's jump right in. Next week, several community members will take on the role of our school's leaders during our district's Guest Principal Day. This special event will be held Monday, November 8th, with guest principals taking the lead at each of our district's 24 buildings. During their visits, our special guests will have a chance to learn about their school and its students, as well as enjoy a number of special welcoming activities, meetings with staff and students, classroom activities, building tours, and more. We can't wait to see our guest principals in action. Local contractors will have the opportunity to learn more about the process of working with our district during two special workshops later this month. During the meeting, we will discuss a variety of topics related to completing contract work for our district, ranging from qualifications, bidding, contracts, and more. These free informational events and Q&A sessions will take place November 9th from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. and November 16th from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Those interested in participating in the workshop will have the option to do so in person at the Lincoln Center or virtually using Zoom. You can scan the QR code on your screen to join either meeting. And finally, Waukegan High School's Career and Technical Education, or CTE, department needs your help. Waukegan High School is exploring the possibility of expanding its CTE class offerings, and we are asking parents of students to share what they would like to see offered by completing our CTE class offering survey. The results of the survey will guide our decision making as we plan for the future of CTE classes in our district. Parents interested in completing the survey can do so by scanning the QR code on the screen. That's all for 60 and 60 for this week. Be sure to join us every week as we bring you the news and events happening around Waukegan Public Schools.